Hello my dear students, welcome to your chemistry class. As you know, we were doing chapter number 2, elements, compounds and mixtures. My dear students, our topic for today is symbols of elements. For reading, kindly open your books at page number 19. Symbols of elements. My dear students, as you know, some 120 elements have been discovered so far. So it is not easy to memorize all those. So the easiest way to memorize all is having some symbols. So in olden times, alchemists used pictorial symbols, as you can see in this diagram also. Some pictures were drawn for different elements, but these were difficult to recall. Everyone is not good in memorizing pictures, and they were limited in number, so they were not covering all the elements. So this system was not very successful. Then a Swedish chemist, J.J. Berzelius, developed a modern system of chemical symbols. What was his system? He abbreviated names of elements, that he given short form of the names of the elements, and this system was used all over the world. Now, system for determining symbols of elements. So how does this system work? Some elements, mainly non-metals, used first letter of their English name. For example, as you can see in this table, carbon start with C, so it's having symbol capital C. Sulfur, capital S. Boron, capital B, and so on. Then elements with the same initial as carbon, cobalt, they are having starting with same initial. So for that we use first letter and second letter of their English name. For example, aluminium, Al, argon, Ar. Then if first two letters are same, then first letter and first consonant of the English name. As you can see in my this example of magnesium, magnesium has symbol Mg. So they have taken first letter M and first consonant, that is G. For manganese, they've taken first letter M and first consonant N. So symbol of manganese is Mn. So same for chlorine and chromium. Now some symbols are based on old names or Latin names, as sodium. Sodium has symbol Na, and this Na comes from its Latin name natrium. Similarly, copper has Latin name cuprum, so its symbol is Cu. And there are 11 such elements whose symbols are based on their Latin names. Now, what is the significance of the symbols? What does a symbol show? It shows name of the element and number of atoms of the element. If symbol capital C is given, it means it is symbol for carbon, and it is one atom of element carbon. Now, some common elements. We have already done this before. Let us recall it once again. Universe is made up of two main elements, hydrogen and helium. Earth crust has many elements like oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, etc. Our atmosphere is mainly composed of nitrogen and oxygen, and many other elements are also present. Human body is mainly composed of three elements, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now my dear students, kindly read pages 19, 20 and 21 so that you have a better idea of symbols of elements, and memorize all the symbols with their names on page number 21, and do question number 7 and 8 given on page 34 of the book exercise. Please try to solve that. Thank you and have a nice day.